This is the actual molding that's gonna sit right here, and the channel. Like that. So we should stop our flooring about 1/4 inch away from the channel. Okay. So we just do 3/4 inch everywhere. Now all the floating floors actually come with transitions. This is a T-molding. Channel goes here, T-molding slips into it. So what I do when I'm on slab, we glue this channel here, and then the next day, which is tomorrow, we come and put these things in. And so we use this Roberts 7200, which is a cove wall base adhesive, but it's the best glue to use on gluing these plastic channels to the slab. Now, important thing to know, you actually want to glue it down and over to the tile, right there, okay? Down to the floor, and so that vertical surface will grab also. So we do want to put some on the tile as well. And these you just cut with a knife. Yep. Take it in. Right, like that. Stick it down and into the tile. Yeah, so we got some glue on your gloves. But that's how it's gonna hold the best. Get some paper towels and clean it up. And make sure there's nothing in the channel, yeah? So we're now to the T-molding. Of course, bases should be installed first, but that's ideally, right? Because if you install the molding first, then you have to undercut your base. Some people do that, but I'll just use this for now. And so to make this, I actually use 2 short pieces. I cut them at the saw and I play with them, and I'll show you how. This is the only way to do it right the first time. So pay attention here, okay? Since that angle is 45, this I have to cut it 22.5 on the miter saw, chop saw, 22.5. I'm gonna make one with this angle. Now I'm gonna do the other way. And these you don't wanna chop them fast. You wanna cut them slowly. Okay, now with these pieces here, first I'm gonna make sure that 22.5 works, and if not, I'm gonna adjust it. This seems to be next to perfect. This is next to perfect, so I'm gonna put them where I want them to end up being, which is right here. So now I can measure these from that base to the longest point here, see? Or you can go to the shortest, but the longest is easier to do. So 69 and 13. 69, 13. Let's make sure this end is good. So 69, 13. I'm gonna put it right on this edge here. And I'm gonna trace this angle just so I know it's going that way and I don't make mistakes. Heard of measure twice, cut once? 69, 13. 69, 13. Now this guy, I actually wanna run all the way to this tile here. So I'm gonna measure it from the tile to the longest point again, because you'll be looking at that longest point when you're cutting it. So 8.5. I'm gonna make sure this one is a good edge, and we're gonna do 8.5 here. Again on the very edge, and I'm gonna mark which way it's going. And so here on this piece, I'm gonna remove this just a bit. Take this out so it actually rests a little bit on the tile itself. Okay. Ready? Let's go do it. So you do it later without any mistakes. And of course you want to make sure it's laying flat, not angled, right? So you push it down real hard. Just be careful. Slowly. I'm gonna go by this connection here. Put it in my channel, make sure. Yep, take my sunglasses off. Right there. And there she is. Lucky glove. You do it. Just step on it. Use a mullet if you have to. Alright. Ain't that pretty? This you can actually glue together. Let's do that. And here I'm going to use rubber 7200, which is a vinyl cove base adhesive, which is what I use to glue the channel. A little wobbly. Let's put some more glue in there. I don't want it to be wobbly. Then I'm gonna put some glue on the edge here. And then when it dries, that line will disappear, or if not, you can use some wood putty or filler. There it is.